Welcome to Study Loop.
First, the conditional probability distribution of y given that x is 1. To find the conditional probability, we need to use the formula, the probability that y is equal to y given x is equal to 1. And that's the probability that x is equal to 1, y is equal to y, over the probability that x is equal to 1. And we can find the numerator by looking at the joint probability distribution table. So this is equal to 0.4 over 1, which is 0.4. And the probability that y is equal to 0.4 given x is equal to 1 is 0.6 over 1, or 0.6. So the conditional probability distribution of y given that x is 1 is 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.6. To find E of t given x equals 1, we need to use the formula that it's the sum of the y times the probability that y equals y given that x equals 1. And so using the conditional probability distribution of y given that x equals 1 that we just found in step 1, we can calculate this as negative 0.4 times 0.4 plus 0.4 times 0.6, which is negative 0.04. Are they independent? We need to see if the joint probability distribution can be written as a product of the marginal probability distributions, and if this is true, then they're independent. So the probability that x is equal to 1 is going to be 1/8 plus 1/16, which is 3/16. The probability that x is equal to negative 1 is 1/4 plus 9/16, which is 13/16. The probability that y is equal to negative 0.4 is 1. And the probability that y is equal to 0.4 is 1. The probability that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to negative 0.4 is 0.4. And the probability that x equals 1 given y equals positive 0.4 is 0.6. So they are not independent.